Hey, I'm Alan Myers with Myers Automotive out of Sibley, Louisiana. I just want to let y'all know the reason we decided to purchase a Rottler home. My dad started this business about 45 or 50 years ago, and I took over the business in the last 5 years. We expanded and wanted to buy one of the best cylinder homes. We do everything from racing engines to diesel engines. We wanted something to accommodate all of our needs. This one here do anything from a 6.7 Cummins diesel block to racing blocks. It has the 6-stone holder. We can use diamond stones or CPN stones. It uses a water-based coolant instead of the oil-based. It keeps everything nice, neat, and clean. We've been incredibly blessed by the amount of business we receive. We stay super busy. This sped up our process a lot. It's super easy, accurate to use. It keeps all the taper out of the cylinders. It has thin wall settings, so you can do like aluminum blocks with thin sleeves. It can accommodate up to whatever amount of taper you want to put into a cylinder. It keeps the cylinder straight. It saves all your programs from all your basic common block cylinder sizes. We checked around, and this was the best home in the market in the last few years, so we decided to do it. It's pre-wired to do hole-to-hole and block rollover options, but we pretty much watch the machine the whole time that it goes. We just wanted to update a lot of our equipment. This is one of the best upgrades we've purchased, and look to purchase some more Rottler equipment in the future.